Welcome to SecureSphere, your ultimate destination for all things cybersecurity. I'm your cyber buddy and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. At the SecureSphere, we're on a mission to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the digital world safely and securely. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey in cybersecurity, our goal is simple: to provide you with valuable insights, practical tutorials, and comprehensive guides to help you protect yourself, your devices, and your data from cyber threats. Join us as we delve into various topics, including understanding common cyber threats and attack vectors, exploring cutting-edge tools and techniques used by hackers, learning essential tips and best practices for cyber defense and prevention, keeping up with the latest trends and developments in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. Don't wait until it's too late. Join the SecureSphere community today and take control of your cybersecurity destiny. Together, let's build a safer and more secure digital future.